birthmark came in.
My what? Oh, it's kind of ugly.
Your soulmate has the exact same one. When you touch it, you can feel what they're feeling. How's your soulmate feeling?
I think my soulmate's crying. I wonder how my soulmate's feeling. Ouch! I think my soulmate just got punched in the gut. Look at Cameron. He's so charming. I hope he's my soulmate.
Brianna, your shoelaces are untied. Made you look.
Why is my soulmate crying all the time?
Sad boy Steve is crying again.
Yeah.
What is the meaning of life?
Wait a minute. My soulmate is sad boy Steve.
Good morning, Principal Stevens.
Good morning, Brianna. I'm actually her real father.
Dad?
How did you find out?
Babe, you are never going to believe this. I just found out that Principal Stevens is my dad.
That's so crazy. I'm only into guys.
We need to break up. You need to be with someone more your type.
What are you talking about?
It's okay, babe. Be who you are.
I marked your essay.
50%? Are you kidding me?
I give students less marks than they deserve.
You're a bad teacher. I'm going to tell my dad.
We've located the glasses over the glasses.
No, they're mine.
Guess we'll have to use force.
Hey! Look! A woman in a bikini!
Where?
I'm going to drink your blood.
Someone help me!
Wow, the vampire clan is so cool.
I know. Don't worry. We're gonna get vampires for sure.
What's happening to my ears? A fairy? No way. All the popular kids are vampires. I can just hide my ears. There. As far as anyone knows, I'm a vampire.
You got vampire too? I knew it.
I did.
Do you smell that? Fresh fairy blood.
Yeah, I do smell it. I think it's coming from over there.
Welcome to the vampire clan. Fairy blood. The smell is very close.
Where's the fairy?
It's coming from right over. It's you. Hello?
Hello? God? Is that you? Why is there a man speaking above my head?
You didn't hear about the new update? We can receive and send voice recordings to our soulmate. Did you reply to your soulmate yet?
I haven't yet. I'm not sure what to say.
Come on, you can't ghost your own soulmate.
You're right. What's your home address?
You can't ask questions that reveal their identity.
Wow, I can't believe my own soulmate didn't reply to me.
I'm sorry, I was nervous. I wasn't sure what to say.
How about we just ask each other questions?
Okay. How tall are you?
I'm 6'5". Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I'm single. What's your body count?
Over 200 now.
Ew, that's disgusting. You've been with that many people?
No, I haven't been with anyone yet. I thought you were talking about how many people I've killed.
Oh.
Wait, how many lives did you get?
50. I can't wait to use them.
Brianna, wanna come try poison with me after school?
I'd love to. 3, 2, 1.
Brianna, wanna come try drowning with us later?
Yes, I've always wanted to try drowning.
Aw, I wish I could come, but I don't have enough lives.
That's no problem. I'll send you some more lives.
Wanna come drink bleach with me later?
I'm so down. Hey, Emily, are you coming? I'll send you some more lives.
Sure. You need to stop using your lives so fast. You'll run out.
Whatever, Mom. Just let me have fun.
Let's all go jump up buildings after school.
Yes, I can't. I only have one life left. But I can come watch.
I'm gonna jump.
Let me give you a push.
Your turn.
No!
Give me that Perrier water.
No, it's mine.
I'll trade you this chocolate for it.
Deal.
That shirt is so cute. Can I trade you for it?
My shirt? But I'm wearing it.
I'll trade you my shirt.
Deal. Fits just like a glove.
Hey, wanna trade that necklace for this mystery box?
I'll pass. I traded this necklace for 50 gems.
Fine, your loss.
What's in the box?
It's a mystery.
Okay, you have a deal. Just give me the box. Wow, a mystery box. I wonder what's inside.
How many Dodge deaths do you have now?
It's over 2,000 now. I guess that's the price you pay being a secret agent.
Yeah, it can be hard to know who to trust.
No, Mom, I told you, I don't want blueberries in my pancakes.
Your time is up, Agent Red.
Hold on. I don't think so. Mission accomplished. I got the files, boss.
Great work, Agent Red. I'll buy you a drink to celebrate. This is for you, Agent Red. Did you know you're my favorite agent? Cheers.
Hold on, I'm getting a call. Hello, Mom?
I found your dirty dishes in the cat's litter box again. This is the second time this week.
Hold on. Did you just try to poison me?
Or
Sir, wait! You dropped this! A lottery ticket? Oh my... I won the million!
Here's your $1 million check. Congratulations.
Thank you so much! Oh, $1 million. That's the guy who dropped the ticket! Sir, wait! Hi, you don't know me, but you dropped your lottery ticket.
Oh, it's fine. Don't worry about it.
No, you don't understand. It was the $1 million ticket.
Wow, it really was the $1 million ticket. Here, take it. It was my fault for dropping it. The money's all yours.
Are you sure about that?
Actually, no, I'm not. Take me out on a date and we can call it even.
I only need $5 more to meet my soulmate.
1 million? Here, take this $5. I'm never gonna make enough to meet my soulmate anyways.
Dude, did you hear? She needs $1 million to meet her soulmate. She's gonna be forever alone. Shh, dude, she's looking this way. Hey, Brianna, you know if you're ever feeling lonely, you can always come and see me.
Don't you have a soulmate waiting for you somewhere? Hey, Mom, how much money did you need to meet Dad?
Only $2.
$2? I need 1 million.
What? That's impossible.
I wonder what my soulmate would have been like.
Sorry.
Sir, wait! You dropped this. Lottery ticket? Oh my. Cause of death?
You have a very special ability where you can see how people will die.
Mommy, you're gonna live a long life.
Cookie.
Don't eat that cookie!
Get away, it's mine.
Teacher!
I think it's safe to cross now.
Wait!
You saved my life. Brianna, can you tell me how I'll die?
Poison.
Really?
Yeah, I wouldn't drink that coffee if I were you.
Derek gave me this coffee. Hey, Derek, were you trying to poison me? Hey, girl.
Bestie, hi!
Hi, beautiful.
Babe.
Hey, Bessie, I need to talk to you in private. Nurse or construction worker? I can't risk it. My mom's a nurse.
Seriously, you just killed my dad.
I'm so sorry, I didn't know.
Our friendship is over.
Bestie, wait!
Did you hear she killed her best friend's dad? She's so sick.
Get out of the way, loser.
Hey!
Unfortunately, one of your classmates passed away today. Brianna did it. She keeps choosing people to die all the time.
Kick her out of the school.
Honey, how was school?
Horrible. Everyone hates me because of my curse.
I'm so sorry.
I just got another one. Teacher or a rapist? This is easy.
Wait, don't choose yet. How many guys have you kissed?
I don't know. It's so many I lost count. It has to be at least over 20.
Well, we'll find out tomorrow exactly how much it is. They're releasing everyone's kiss count to the public.
Hey, Steven! You like me, right?
Whoa, what do you mean by like?
Do you want to kiss me?
Sure.
There. Now I just need to kiss at least 19 more by tomorrow.
Hey, Brianna.
Hi, Eugene. Want a kiss?
Sure, I'd love to.
You know what? I changed my mind.
Really? You did?
No. Still only 2. What am I gonna do? I told everyone I kissed a bunch of boys.
Who wants to sign up to take part in the kissing booth?
Kissing booth?
Wow, you look so beautiful today.
Stop it, Johnny.
Look at your hand, you got your mark.
I got a pink mark. I'm going to be socially successful. Do you know what this means, Johnny?
No.
I'm going to be famous. All the famous celebrities have a pink mark, like Kylie Jenner or Ariana Grande.
Did you get your mark yet?
Hold on, I just need to finish this paper.
Look at your hand, you got a blue mark.
Blue? I'm going to be academically successful. Harvard, here I come.
Harvard, here I come. Did you look to see if you got your mark yet?
No, I haven't yet.
What color did you get? I didn't see it.
I got pink.
Yay, we're twins.
Yeah, I have to go. Can't believe it. I'm going to be a failure?
Honey, come downstairs. I want to see your mark.
There. It's covered. As far as anyone knows, I have a pink mark.